The SmallRig RM120 RGB video light panel is a compact and powerful LED light useful for video and photography. The light uses a rechargeable battery that charges via USB-C with the charging port found on the bottom of the device. When checking out the light, it will include a cold shoe foot so that the light can be mounted onto a camera or other device. The light panel has threads on the bottom and the side, so that it may be mounted in either direction. The threads also allow it to be connected to a tripod or a light stand. To mount the device to a camera, on the cold shoe foot, adjust the two rings so they are relatively in the center of the threads. Screw the cold shoe foot into the light panel. Mount the light panel onto the camera or device you will be using. Tighten both rings. Turn the bottom clockwise to tighten against the camera, and turn the top ring counterclockwise to tighten against the light panel. On the top of the panel is the power switch to turn the device on or off. On the right-hand side of the device are the brightness knob, which controls light output in all modes. Below that is the function control, which allows users to navigate through menu settings. The function control can also be pressed in to make selections. At the bottom is the menu button. On the rear of the device is an LCD screen which will display settings and menus needed to operate the device. The light has 4 distinct modes which can be navigated by pressing the menu button. CCT, or Correlated Color Temperature mode, uses a standard warm and cool light. HSI, or Hue Saturation Intensity, lets users select from 360 colors. RGBW allows users to create custom colors by blending levels of red, green, blue, and white light. Effects, also known as Scene Mode, features a variety of lighting special effects. For most standard operations, the light will be used in CCT mode. When in CCT mode, with the color temperature icon selected, use the function control to adjust the color temperature from a warm light of 2500K to a cool light of 8500K. In HSI mode, the first setting will adjust the hue. Pressing in on the function control will move to the next setting, which is the saturation amount of that hue. In RGBW mode, press in on the function control to navigate between red, blue, green, and white, and use the function control to adjust their values. In effects mode, the name of the effect will be highlighted, and you can use the function control to navigate between the various effects. Pressing in on the function control will allow you to select the various settings related to those effects, and then you can use the function control to adjust those settings.